Yeah, this is Opinion TV GH. Osumfuniye Big Bro. Na meni abo video bi so. Na ansa na ibaka video no asam no. Mepe se yebakwa kohwe video no. Na me viewers iwia ya hwe video no asam aka. Teni de mokwan so a o man kohwe video mbra. CCI.
Now, the story that Ibrahim Mahama came to intervene is untrue. Most people live there. And so Ibrahim Mahama heard of the disturbance happening there because he's a resident. So he drove straight to the place only to see that we're there. So he called me outside and asked. So I explained to him at that time, we were about moving Mr. Peters to the police station. It was in the grips of the police officers. And so I explained to him. He greeted Benedict. Of course, they are friends. And then he drove off.
It's not the case that Ibrahim Mahama have been the one that reported the matter to National Security.
No, it's never
for them to come and clear whatever blockage that had happened.
Not at all. National Security didn't take part in this operation at all. Just as we had finished arresting him, the regional police commander also arrived with the divisional commander, and then they took over the matter. And so Benedict was sent to the regional police commander. Of course, if you arrest people of this nature of crimes, once you have arrested the person and it's a bailable offense, it's within the discretion of the police to bail the suspect for further investigation to continue. So he was given an inquiry bail in the evening, I think around 5.
Ebisia, seven video na ina ekwohwe ye no. Na ebe ni sen ena ohoho onu betumi aba ode hyiman mu no why na adwe so ba fanyi mu na first of all krampo no so nipa no ye business person kra na oho kwan de so be in business e wo bi man so na soldiers for ni security men na umkitekete too right behind the presidency. Me dey me feel say entweye your excellency say ebeya also will locate this business man if he present territory where no also unifio because the way this guy ositie no say I'm training here one day presidency assemble tomato presidency war because so not to me audacity a gas from his country say or buy him krum etme abo block kwan ya ehi di nsika ye na wo ababa tena na wo pe bibi edi akokrum no so wo be yesi a chen dia no yema embre no ye den ema no komo yesa kosa onipa we no se no sitie no gradually say ya hwene ye na yema no kwama otintim ukrum ha na if obenye ukrum akrata one day ye bada no faga no mu your excellency we see ijeba so a usuo di kan akowei awo yare tenya ye kan ho asemi onye onipa awo se ye fa ne tra keke obutuma bibia etie Ghana fo particular resident presidential territory na wabatena no emboa presidency no intimate say senkebeya your excellency John Dramani Mahama for my humble appeal may appeal say relocate this guy from the place mama na be one bill unifi on work so ni debio you mu nyina fefi presidency area ho no you won't feel ho na also no disarm all this security men no some of them kono be as police ofan is saying sa businessman ya ye kan was when Nigeria yin. So what me secret is fine. But she say, kuro sasi ito na okita no. Na sarum so this ne car mo so e fin ne kon ban no. Omo ye bio. Because people ya ban mu na dia. Who is he to have this authority? Not only the sarum is in the car mo. And the police take at the car. I mean, you want to say what Nigeria Kurumana. Debio, I don't know, I mean, and will be a Bragana, no bear, Fagana Fumu, ebe do pay. I mean, how? I dish have a young call young Kurumana. I'm sorry. Your Excellency, I always call your name and I call your attention. We have given Ghana to your hand to supervise Ghana. Let the institution rise up against any perpetrator. Obi obeye someone is biara no. Mambrani ni finch. No ka den bi no. Sa Nigeria ni we. Me say video na me hwe ye no. Akono onfo boganya swine. Ne. Our say institution chain say Ghana nya na dia. Obo sumiye eba so papa na dia na dia. Emrama no kwazo bebe din so. Yes akowe no so okofa covid begina kotokwa porter ye ba ogin 150 100 no. Ye we. Eya sampawo. Eya sam. See ntmenye Ghana yibiere amfasa contract afa ama no. Ne di ma we. Obeso be din so. Ebe tete abrebo. Onu be si kwan. So ma audition ni nkwa adwuma because onu peki. Na ya fa ki bia ma na extra no. Until what to block kwan. Na kwan no ene dia. E kwan na de ho no ene dia. Your Excellency muni da ho. Muni da ho. Ne ija e badara usuo dikan. Sare teyin no what des asubane di. E wo residence no. Presence area no. Me entry ye. Enka ya yini fi ho. Pepe fofo man ma onko baby o far away. Ebe mo ka deport no. Ke peja no to na chino ni kuro mu. Mo sigane bio. Mo sigane bio. Yes. I'm talking as a Ghanaian. What my your adiwe will be my so abrichira. On to me. What do I get with China? On to me. What do I call Burkina Faso Kaisa? Quite said to actually on to me cry. Why Ghana? Why Ghana? Obi afani kuku nkekere oboro obedi nsemu actually not on name na yehwan sa adan. Chane yi baya na obedi nsemu of fama cho de sin nsemu wa sensu no not one on nam. Mebua ni timber ni forest no obi oh baya no gbewremu not my cheku no bundu na to achene. I mean adan. Your Excellency. Yes, sir. Reset Ghana for us. Jewudi na ko. Ye human offension. All the institution, all the people who are doing say no wo cheun say o bi ambo no amemu no koye no ekoye Ghana nya wo dia ofa nko oye Ghana yin na etimu. Enti mesre say ebeya. Are anyway. So what not baby presidency no within the presidency no one that change emphasis and papa famba is beating himself what a force no kitty. I mean why in this earth why this world obut makers adiwe can you talk on Nigeria case adiana adai please. Let's put stop to this guy. Or when you see car, often could cook this answer moon. Say, you come about common man come with this answer moon. Why Ghana? Listen, Mr. Relocate this guy from where he's living. No workers will be you mean of a few. Yes. We should not allow this thing to happen anymore. Ghana is one country we have. Nti me dem adwen kyerɛ me atwere no sɛ deɛ me hu ni ntweye kra so no bebe si yin Ghana fo yen kwan na wo bedi pa ya no be den wo ya hwan a wo ba be den wo ba gin ko na boso oh anya adwuma yeserensi mesre say the edru no for na sifum mate se wo kasisa cars bi susu o find apartment no garage bebre check se car no okitikita no oye the right duty no oye the right channel no to oye den say ya ban car sim no muje kesese o gini ya fini semu so boga na kro na me se mo kade ni bi no ho no chon ho ade o bi no ho car so de o tsani ya kokko na ko hwe say if it is wrong acquire gini ya fini semu enti ya twen DBC adofo where GH where Opinion GH TV Opinion TV GH. This is your host, a big bro. You can also follow us TikTok, Facebook, X, and also YouTube. Adofo aya na ma subscribe, na ma share. Na bottom line na wo no na touch so amami. Some of the video be atuma, you'll be the first to receive. Subscribe, na comment mine. Na change miss the anko ye bia na yetumi da tutuye. Because your attention is always needed. You don't